Hey there, everyone. I'm just going to let a couple people hop on here um, before I go forward um, with today's Twilight Stories episode 2. So today we're going to talk about freedom, but as I said, I'm just going to wait for a couple people to hop on. So, what does that word mean to you? Do you know you have the freedom, no matter where you are in life, to be anything, to do anything, to have anything you want? You are the creator of your own reality. Doesn't that sound amazing? Your only limitation is what others have put in your head, and then you started to believe those thoughts. Why did we let others thwart our knowledge of knowing that we are the creator of our own life? Our parents, our grandparents, and anyone who raised you squashed your true belief by limiting you when you were younger. Bless their heart, they meant well. They really did. Don't blame them. It's what they were taught as well. So don't be upset with them. It's not their fault. Know that you are free thinking beings and you can be, do, or have anything you desire. This should be a joyful journey though that you are embarking on. Don't don't let it be a bad journey. Stay on the right path. Leave any resentments behind. Have fun moving forward with this deeper knowing, and you'll be in the receiving mode soon enough. Don't be so hurried to get to your destination or to get to your, you know, where you want to be. You have to have joy in your life to get to where you want to be. See, that's kind of the thing right there. Don't hurry the process along. It'll come at the exact right time. It always does. There are no accidents. The law of attraction is not biased. And if you are thinking those negative thoughts, that's what you're going to get. Free your mind and the rest will follow, just like the Vogue song. Don't let others tell you their norm of how they think you should be, look, do, or act. Why? Why are we giving these so called friends, families, significant others, spouses, co workers that power? Does that make sense? We know in our heart what is right for us. We don't know what's right for anyone else. We know what's right for us. So remember that. Don't judge. Don't judge others because they don't have the same beliefs as you. Just because I'm doing this story time and my blog and all these things doesn't mean you have to follow along with what I'm doing. I'm just trying to enlighten you on a different path if you're not happy with where you are today. If you're happy where you are today and everything's going good for you, then that's fine. Don't worry about it. But don't let others dictate your life. I mean, seriously, maybe it's not for you, and that's okay, like I said. But the ones that really understand this deep meaning, it will resonate with you. You'll know because you'll feel a sense of relief, joy, love, and harmony. If you don't, then it's really not for you. Honestly, why I'm telling these stories at first is I I go about and I wonder what topic I'm going to write about today or talk about today in this instance, right? I have no clue at first when I wake up. Then I read a bit and I lay the book down and I meditate. I relax my mind, and then when I wake, I know without a shadow of a doubt what I'm going to write about or speak about. And then it just flows freely into my fingers or into my voice. Some days it baffles me where I get this divine wisdom from, to be honest. But I know where it's coming from now, and it's my inner source, wanting me to give the information that I'm learning through Abraham to all of you. I feel so elated once I'm done, like I did something good to help out. Just one person. If I can help just one person with this knowledge that I have that's struggling right now, then that's all that matters to me, to be honest. I'm thankful for all of you listening and following me each day. It is amazing. I am thankful and grateful to Anne for giving me this push that I needed to get this done, because as I said yesterday, this has been something that I have been looking forward to doing for a very long time, giving the knowledge that I've been learning. If I knew what I know now back then, I wouldn't have carried all this baggage along with me all these years. This is what it's all about. Freedom, okay? Freedom. It is the most important thing in your life, to be honest. You need joy, you need love, you need harmony, and you need freedom from anybody that is trying to squash you. Just take that, whatever they're doing. If you're getting bullied, which I was in the past, if you've followed me, anything like that, bullying or people not liking the way you look or act, or things you do, say, have, those types of things. Don't let those people, they're just naysayers. And to be honest, the reason why they're judging you is because they don't have what you have. So you just need to seriously look back and be grateful for everything you have, because then that will allow things to come more into you. Okay? So, as I said, this is episode 2 of Twilight Storytime, and I'm super excited for oncoming episodes. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow, because I will be doing my video number 3, and I will challenge another one of my teammates to do a video. So stay tuned to who that is going to be. I hope you all had a great day, and I'm telling you what, I love being an entrepreneur. I'm my own boss. I'm also in an awesome team called Team Driven. We have 2 major phases, which is TPS, Travel Processing System, and we also have Lucrative Mailbox Kit, LMK. If you are at all interested in learning more about our opportunities and what you can find in your own life, guys, I wouldn't be here right now talking to you on this live if I hadn't have come across my team. My team, and that's why I brought it to my entrepreneurship. I was just going to talk about, freedom, but honestly, this is freedom. I can do anything I want now. Literally, I I don't know if you follow me on Facebook, but if you do, you will see all the posts, that post that I just did this AM about all the fun we had. I was gone from social media for like a week and a half. I checked in with my team. Hey, how's it going? But I knew that I had other team leaders backing me up, so I could leave and know that the team is taken care of. I don't have to worry about that. The only reason why I checked in is because honestly, I wanted to see what was going on, and I have FOMO, to be honest, fear of missing out. I wanted to see what was going on, but I didn't have to. That's the thing. When you belong to an awesome team like I do, with the opportunities we have, we went to Minneapolis, we went to Minnesota on a mini vacay, and it was awesome. Had a wedding to go to, stayed in a nice hotel, um, you know, went to the Mall of America, saved some money there. Went to a water park and saved money through my discounts. I mean, it is just amazing. So not only am I earning money, but I'm also saving money. And seriously, for $47, you can save so much money. I will get into that probably in video number 3, just to like give a little bit more insight and in-depth information about what I do. But today I really did want to talk to you guys about freedom, because you do need to understand that no one, no matter who it is, your spouse, your children, no one has anything to say about what you do, because you are the creator of your own reality. Remember that, okay? Don't let these people tear you down and say nasty things about you. I had a spouse, that sometimes didn't say the nicest things, and it wasn't the greatest environment. And, you just, you really have to look back and say, I mean, now I realize, I was always blaming that person for what they were doing to me and saying to me, and letting it hurt me to the point where I didn't know who Twyla Seekins was. I lost myself because I let somebody else dictate my feelings and emotions. As much as I kept on saying, you have nothing to do with my feelings, that was a bunch of BS I was telling myself to hopefully get things to go the right direction. But, I did not know about the law of attraction and what it can do for you. So, you know, please, guys, just listen and know that the universe has your back. Be positive, be grateful for what you have, know what you want. Contrast is good, adversity is good, because then it will let you know what you want more than what you don't want, okay? So, thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow.